We just found a bird. A very live bird.
And I want to show Jeremiah.
Ugh, blurry. It's blurry. Okay.
Stop, guys. Stop. No.
I'm going to make it to
I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Hi, birdie.
Who you sending it to?
YouTube, boy. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Stop.
I'm trying to get it understand.
No. Let's make it a fort. Very tiny little cute one.
I'm gonna touch it. Ready? One.
I'm going to get beaten.
Beaties, surprise beaties. Ready?
Touch. Oh!
What does it feel like?
It feels like furry, but
No,
it's not
here.
like furry. It's like furry.
Okay. Okay.
No, you
So
Jael got the rabies touch.
I think about putting this right here. Oh no, not that's too close. Let that,
Should we give it a bath?
and we do that. That's good, isn't it?
That shade. Let's get rid of this stuff.
You have to take care of
I felt it, and I felt it too much, and too deep, and I felt like some sticks.
And you have to take care of the bird.
I think he is.
Guys, let's give him.
Let's give him a bath.
The bird's like, what am I doing?
Let's give him a bath.
Oh, I see his feet.
Guys, let's give
I
him
see his
a bath.
feet. Come on.
Guys, let's give him a bath.
See this?
I'll get the bucket.
There's a lot of feet. I think it's freaking huge.
I got an idea.
No, wait, Jojo. No.
It's standing up. I think one of the legs are broken.
Or it's just a wing.
Probably just can't fly.
Ugh, what if we just nurture it to life?
No, you don't need a bucket.
They're like, what? Oh! Birdie! Oh! Trust me, this is not our pet bird. We just found this bird out. Oh my gosh, Jojo, imagine you just found this bird. Oh! He's like, oh, what is this? What, ooh. Ooh, that's kind of nice. That's kind of nice.
Put it on his head.
No. Oh my God. He just He's like,
He has a long head.
He's like this. That's trying to dry off his neck.
Yeah, like this.
that's how they dry
I
off.
don't want to get wet. We're trying to give them a shower.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that looks scary. This is how we should do it.
Like, give them a bath. Guys, give them a bath.
We're giving them shower. That's good enough.
Like, guys, let's make a bird's nest for him.
You think you're gonna be getting in there?
Yeah? Probably gonna pick him up. Let's put that.
This looks scary. Look at this. Okay, you should have walked. Oh my god.
Oh.
That looks scary.
I want to find something where you can like sit on.
Yeah, let's go collect some sticks.
Rena. We found a bird. Not dead, but
I saw the bird and hit the tree.
the tree? Or because that doesn't even look like glass. That looks.
Get them a nest.
Tiana, we're giving them
I
a
fly. Hi.
Guys, let's give them a nest. And they got the nest. Now let's go reach up here.
Okay, so Jojo, are you brave enough to pick him up and put him somewhere?
You can put him in his net. In his nest.
No, Prize, that cannot be his nest.
Get down. You can die. I won't.
Yeah, he can't die.
Oh yeah, I have to go. He dies.
This is why no one likes you when you're around your pets.
Okay, you think that's enough?
Yeah.
Yo,
Oh.
water.
Oh my
Did it just
God.
need water?
Wait, yeah, he'll move if I put water on him.
Okay, now that just looks like torture.
Oh my God! Oh.
Satan has come.
Surprise.
Satan has came to life and it's about. I dare you to touch. Don't do that.
Oh my God! It's opening up his wings.
Oh, my baby. Fly.
Orange, making the wing and
What wing could it
because
be?
Buzz's eye is
I
blind.
think it's this way.
Yeah. That's what gives him an X.
Okay, Jojo. Jojo, get that. Put it right there. And then grab the bird. And then put him right there.
It is?
Yeah.
That could be.
Grab that. And put it right there in the shade.
Which, oh, here?
Yeah. Then you can grab the bird and put it over there. Are you too scared to do it or no?
As I got in that.
You get this up, I get the bird.
Okay.
Sorry. I washed the bird, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
As I got to that.
Huh? Okay. Yes, Grandma.
So you guys, I washed my hands. And now,
Don't you dare act like a YouTuber. That's not gonna get us views.
well, you guys, I washed my hands. And I'm gonna try to pick up this bird. I'm gonna try to put him in there. I'm so
Why are you acting like
I am a YouTuber.
Yo,
a professional?
And I am.
take the glove.
No.
You're like a number 2 YouTuber. Like one top of the worst YouTubers.
I'm the number 2.
Then you're the second worst.
I hit next. I made some arms on.
Oh my God, I was so close. Okay. Wait, come on, film this. Ready?
Wait, sorry.
Film it.
There.
You're quick.
Huh.
We're going to kill it?
No.
No, why would we kill a bird?
It sounded like Joe said he was going to
No, I said film this. Okay, you're gonna try to come up.
Okay. Who's that?
Oh wait, you guys, before we did this, go subscribe to my
No, that's just cringe. Don't do
Okay,
cringe.
you guys ready?
Don't do
my
cringe.
God.
Don't do cringe. No cringiness.
Oh my God.
Now don't drop the bird.
Guys, look, I got him.
Well, put him in there.
Put it in here. But softly, okay? Softly.
Guys, put him in his desk.
Okay.
Oh, now you got it. There.